To adjust the hinge, begin by prying off the hinge cover with a screwdriver. Loosen the 4 lag screws on each hinge that attach to the door. Make sure you loosen the screws on all of the hinges to allow the door to be squared up properly. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to pull the door towards the hinge. Turn the screw counterclockwise to push the door away from the hinge. Once the door is parallel to the door section, tighten all of the lag screws. Be careful not to over-tighten, which can cause damage to the door. Finally, replace the hinge cover by simply popping it back on.